Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. I'm Kati. I'm a Nigerian based YouTuber currently in Akure. So guys, I make videos on lifestyle, vlog, beauty, story time and lots more. So consider subscribing to my channel. You will definitely enjoy it. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for always stopping by watching my videos. I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. So today's video is gonna be how to make palm oil, how to produce palm oil. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to produce palm oil. If you're wondering how to make palm oil, then this is the best video for you. Sit back, relax and watch this video to the end. So guys, this is the palm fruit. I'm so sorry I didn't show how it was washed. I woke up so late today and mommy started early without me, so I had to bring out some to show you guys. Palm oil is a popular oil consumed by virtually all Nigerian tribes. It is produced from palm fruit. The palm fruit is first washed properly with clean water to remove particles or stains that comes with it. Pour the palm fruit into a pot and add some water to it. Do not add too much water. It shouldn't be more than the palm fruit, or at least the same level with the palm fruit. Boil the fruit until the body starts to break. Add the palm fruit into the mortar, and when doing this, be very careful not to hurt yourself because the palm fruit is usually very hot. And I also noticed that as you boil the palm fruit, more dirt came out from it, so we're not going to be using this water again. Use mortar and pestle to mash the palm fruit. Mash gently to avoid breaking the nut. As you can see, the palm fruit is properly mashed. Now there are so many ways you can do this at this process. Some add warm water to the mashed palm fruit and extract the juice, but we're not going to be using that method. We are going to be putting it back into the pot and adding another water to it, just to heat and boil it continually until the mixture boils together.
This is new process according to my friend. This is the new process and the shortest process. Now washing away wash water out or separate. No, just put everything down. Some people are fair, but it's not the best.
That's waste of alcohol.
Waste of oil too.
Add back to the pot, add enough water and put back on fire. Continue to boil. After adding water and placing back on fire, stir properly and cover the pot. Allow to boil for about 45 to 60 minutes or even close to an hour. Bring the pot down from fire and allow the oil to settle from the mixture. Scoop the oil carefully into another bowl. So guys, our palm oil is ready to consume. It's so colorful, and if you use this one to cook, the taste is going to be on point. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to like this video, comment down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, and have a lovely weekend.